Hey there, Roel here. Thank you for visiting my page. Now, if you are already informed about the workshop na SMARE at ano ba yung mga pinagkaiba nito sa other courses na nakikita mo online or about meta ads, well, let me tell you several things kung ba't naiiba siya. First off, SMARE is focused on real estate only. Yes, pwede mo itong magamit sa ibang business, pero I really suggest na mag-focus muna tayo sa real estate para hindi ka ma-overwhelm. And then, unlike other courses, napaka-generic. Now, based on the details din ng inclusions is Andromeda ready na siya. Unlike sa iba, outdated pa rin. Number 3 is this is fully integrated na sa AI, meaning gagamit tayo ng AI when doing ads. Yung sa iba kasi is full minimal lang. Now, about naman sa overall core modules, i-cover natin yung ads, yung leads, at saka kung paano mag-close ang sales. So talagang overall siya, hindi lang basta marketing. Unlike sa other courses, ads lang talaga yung pinag-uusapan. And then of course, dito, provided ka na ng mga templates na gagamitin mo sa ads at pag-post ng content at kung paano yung gagawin mo when using AI tools. Okay? Unlike sa iba, DIY lang. Now, in terms of market fit, yes, pwede to sa Philippine real estate at sa other country. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mong targeting yung OFWs, pwede. Okay? Yung iba kasi most of foreign example yung kanila sa atin, hindi. Kung ano yung market natin sa Philippines na pwedeng targeting yung ibang bansa, pwede. At ang support natin, up to 12 months. Unlike sa iba is after mo mag-take ng course sa kanila is wala ka nang maririnig. Okay? And then of course, in terms naman sa results, yes, we are experience-based at talaga nakapag-generate na to ng results not only for me, but for my students as well. Unlike sa iba, hindi mo alam kung mamaya theory lang yun. And then bottom line guys, SMARE sets the standard for modern real estate advertising in the Andromeda era. So I hope this video convinced you. Then I'm looking forward na makita ka sa SMARE workshop natin. God bless you.